Hello everyone, guiding everyone the way we can. Batch upload of real videos on a bunch of sub-Instagram accounts. Everybody. This is the software. Unlimited management of your Instagram account. And as you can see, I have over 100 Instagram accounts here. There and post the videos. Automatic short on these Instagram accounts. The goal is to build a channel. Then we will go to the viral marketing section. Zoom reel posting section. So here we can see some setup. The first is the number of concurrent runs that I set, 7 threads depending on machine configuration. Next, we'll choose the videos to upload. Here I will select a video to post. I have all these videos. Automatic download by software. I have over 300 short videos here. And here we have video description already. I will not choose here the description file, and we'll get the description here as well. Then save it. That we already have. There are hundreds of videos to post. So you can see there's 300 videos here. And here I'm going to turn off the video duplication part. Here we will be able to choose the size of. I will put the real video in the original size. We can tag. Our main channel is here or not. I will not tag. There are parts of the location that I don't have. And I will not delete the video after posting this. And after we're done posting, we're sort of like, or comment on. Here we can leave our information. Or something like that. Here I will let stay informed about my YouTube channel. That a single line per comment. I'm going to put a YouTube channel here. The setup is so simple. We can set up many videos as an account upload as we want. Let's say I'm going to post 1 to 2 videos. I will wait for the time to upload. That's 30 to 50 seconds. Very simple. Now we just need to select the accounts. Instagram for us to post the real video automatically. And the software that's going to help us is automated posting the real videos on these Instagram accounts. And I'm going to start the software, so let's take a look.